Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to talk about keto-friendly recipes for weight loss. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, is a high-fat, low-carb diet that has been shown to aid in weight loss, improve blood sugar control, and even reduce the risk of certain diseases. One of the keys to success on the keto diet is finding keto-friendly recipes that are both delicious and satisfying. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best keto-friendly recipes for weight loss. What is the keto diet? The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that puts the body into a state of ketosis, which means that the body is burning fat for fuel instead of glucose. When you eat a high-carb meal, your body converts the carbohydrates into glucose, which is used as fuel for energy. However, when you restrict your carbohydrate intake and eat a high-fat diet, your body enters a state of ketosis, where it starts to burn fat for fuel instead. The main goal of the keto diet is to keep your body in a state of ketosis, which means that you need to limit your carbohydrate intake to less than 50 grams per day. In addition to limiting your carbs, you should also focus on eating high-quality fats and protein to help keep you full and satisfied. Benefits of the keto diet. The ketogenic diet has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including 1. Weight loss. The keto diet has been shown to be an effective way to lose weight, especially in those who are overweight or obese. 2. Better blood sugar control. The keto diet can help improve blood sugar control in those with type 2 diabetes. 3. Improved brain function. The keto diet has been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of neurological diseases like Alzheimer's. 4. Reduced risk of certain diseases. The keto diet has been shown to reduce the risk of certain diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and epilepsy. Keto-friendly recipes for weight loss. Recipe 1. Keto breakfast egg muffins. Ingredients: 6 eggs, 1/2 cup chopped spinach, 1/4 cup chopped bell pepper, 1/4 cup chopped onion, 1/4 cup chopped cooked bacon, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk the eggs and add the chopped spinach, bell pepper, onion, and bacon. Season with salt and pepper and mix well. Grease a muffin tin with olive oil and pour the egg mixture into each cup, filling about 3/4 of the way. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the egg muffins are golden brown and set. Serve hot and enjoy. Recipe 2. Keto cauliflower fried rice. Ingredients: 1 head cauliflower, grated, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1/2 cup diced onion, 1/2 cup diced carrot, 1/2 cup diced celery, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 eggs, beaten, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: heat the coconut oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the onion, carrot, celery, and garlic, and sauté until the vegetables are tender. Add the grated cauliflower and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Push the cauliflower to one side of the pan and add the beaten eggs to the other side. Scramble the eggs until cooked. Mix the eggs and cauliflower together and stir in the soy sauce. Season with salt and pepper to taste and serve hot. Recipe 3. Keto chicken Parmesan. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup almond flour, 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, salt and pepper to taste, 2 eggs, beaten, 1 cup tomato sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, fresh basil for garnish. Instructions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a shallow dish, mix together the almond flour, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Dip each chicken breast in the beaten eggs and then coat in the almond flour mixture. Place the chicken breasts in a greased baking dish and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through. Spoon tomato sauce over each chicken breast and top with shredded mozzarella and grated Parmesan cheese. Bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Garnish with fresh basil and serve hot. Recipe 4. Keto Chocolate Avocado Pudding. Ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, peeled and pitted, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 cup almond milk, 1/4 cup keto-friendly sweetener, such as Swerve, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt. Instructions: in a food processor or blender, combine the avocados, cocoa powder, almond milk, sweetener, vanilla extract, and salt. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Divide the pudding into 4 serving dishes and chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Serve cold and enjoy. Conclusion: the ketogenic diet can be a great way to lose weight and improve your health, and these keto-friendly recipes are sure to help you stay on track. Whether you're looking for a delicious breakfast, a satisfying lunch, or a decadent dessert, there are plenty of keto-friendly options to choose from. So why not give these recipes a try and see how they can help you reach your weight loss goals? Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.